How to Contact Facebook Customer Support 2026 Guide. Want to contact Facebook support? Here are the real and working methods, because Facebook does not provide a direct support number for most users. Method 1. Use the Help Center. Open the Facebook app, tap the three lines or menu, go to Settings and Privacy, Help and Support, tap Help Center, search your problem, and follow the steps. Method 2. Report a problem. Best method. Go to Settings and Privacy, tap Help and Support, tap Report a Problem, select the issue, and submit details with screenshots. This is the fastest way to get a response. Method 3. Use business support if you run ads. If you run ads through Meta platforms, you may get live chat support. Open Facebook, go to Ads Manager, look for the Help or Support option, start live chat, available for active advertisers. Important note: Facebook usually replies through email notifications or support inbox inside the app. There is no official public phone support for normal accounts. Done. These are the only reliable ways to contact Facebook support in 2026.